Wallhack, a company primarily known for making glass mousepads, is releasing its first keyboard. The K-001 is a wired, 65% mechanical keyboard that uses magnetic Hall effect switches. It is designed mainly for competitive gaming, where adjustable key inputs are becoming a standard requirement. The K-001 is built from CNC-machined 6063 aluminum and comes in two standard colors, natural and slate. It uses a fixed mounting system for adjusting the typing angle. The keyboard sits flat at 0 degrees out of the box. If you want an angle, you have to use an included screwdriver to attach one of two solid aluminum risers to the bottom, which tilt the board at either 4 or 7 degrees. Inside, the keyboard uses a tray mount design with a black anodized aluminum plate. There are 4 layers of sound dampening material, including a silicone mid-layer and foam, to reduce hollow noises when typing. For the switches, Wallhack partnered with Gateron to make the KS-TR Linear magnetic switches. The keyboard comes standard with the medium-weight version, 48-63 GF, though light and heavy variants will be sold separately. Because the switches are magnetic, you can adjust the exact point where a key press registers, down to a 0.01 mm resolution, and enable rapid trigger features. You don't necessarily need software to change this. There is a physical step dial on the top right of the keyboard that lets you adjust the actuation point and rapid trigger sensitivity directly. The keycaps are double-shot PBT. Wallhack added a specific light guide to the switches that directs the LED lighting straight up through the keycap letters. The goal here is to prevent the backlight from bleeding out around the edges of the keys onto the switch plate. On the technical side, the K-001 has an 8,000 Hz polling rate and a 16,000 Hz scan rate. For software configuration, Wallhack is using a web-based tool called Wallhack Terminal. Instead of downloading a dedicated app to your computer, you use a browser to change deeper settings like gamepad emulation or SOCD rules. Wallhack hasn't yet revealed the pricing and availability details,